Hello, and welcome to your Genesis updated feature video. In today's updated feature video, we have added additional filter options for your policy cards on your dashboard. Let's take a look. From inside one of your policy dashboard cards, whether it's pending renewals or policies about to expire, if you were to go to the settings icon at the top right corner of one of those cards and click there, you will now notice that we have added a premium option as well as a show total premium. So if you would like the premium to show on your dashboard card, make sure to include the premium option. And then if you would like to see the total premium, you would simply click yes. Once making once making these changes, click the save at the bottom right and then return to that dashboard card. You will now notice it now shows the premium and at the very bottom, the total premium for that specific card. This option is available in each of your policy cards. So if you add a policy card, you'll notice there's the premium and then the total premium. Again, any of the policy cards, when you click the plus to add a new policy type, policy, pending renewals, and so forth, you'll now have in your filters section the option to show the premium as well as the total premium. It will then show up as premium and total premium. I hope this updated feature helps you in your agency. And if you should have any questions, always remember at the bottom right corner, there's the support chat icon, or all the way to the left, the bottom of your toolbar, clicking on the resources and clicking help will bring you to our YouTube video of helpful tutorial videos. Thank you for joining me.